Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need Apple Intelligence enabled and Keynote permission first. Open your presentation and load the slide deck you'll enhance. Start by selecting a slide and opening the AI sidebar. This gives contextual suggestions. Next, paste a short outline or prompt about purpose and audience so the model tailors content. Make sure images and any brand colors are available to guide visual suggestions. Once done, request a layout recommendation or a headline rewrite to begin transforming a raw slide into a polished, AI-assisted design. Now you refine results. Request a concise headline, 3 supporting bullets, and a speaker note in one prompt so everything aligns. Use the AI layout swaps to test alternative designs, accept a base, and then tweak text directly on the slide. Make iterative prompts. Change tone to formal or conversational, shorten bullets for readability, and ask for color contrast suggestions to improve accessibility. While editing, lock elements you want preserved and preview in presentation mode to confirm pacing and visual balance before moving to transitions and animations. Finish by applying consistent transitions and verifying fonts, then export to your preferred format. Use Apple Intelligence to draft speaker notes and possible audience cue and so your presentation ready. Make a final pass on image resolution and accessibility labels to ensure playback on other devices. If the AI output misaligns or introduces errors, don't panic. Revert to the previous version or rerun the prompt with explicit constraints, like character limits or style examples. One troubleshooting tip: clear context and resend a concise, step-by-step prompt to fix persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.